Hey guys, welcome to Fab and Funky. So here I am with my another new DIY project. So I made this beautiful peacock pan stand, or you can use it as candle stand as well. That is made by ceramic cup, cardboard and clay only. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. So here I have used a broken ceramic cup. You may use any discarded cup as well. I have taken a cardboard piece and did a marking using the cup and giving it a feather shape. You can make your own design if you want. Now I have taken another piece of cardboard and did a marking to give it a peacock neck shape. Now cut out both the parts accordingly. So this is how I will fix it. Now I have taken some tissue papers and white glue, mixing it with water and applying on the cup so that the tissue paper stick properly. Now I will stick these tissue papers on the cup. I'm doing this because it's a ceramic cup and clay won't stick on it, right? Cover whole cup with these tissue papers and let it dry. Now this is dried up. Now I'm sticking the cutouts on the cup. So I'm using hot glue for sticking these parts. Here I am using thermocol parts, small parts for fillers. You can use aluminum foil and newspapers as well. So it will look like this. Next, I have taken a plastic sheet in which I have kept clay and roll it. Roll it according the size of feather. Later to apply it on the feather part of peacock. Before that, make sure you have applied that glue plus water mixture so that the clay won't come out. It's a homemade clay for which I have already uploaded my video previously. If you haven't checked, I will link it down, so please go and check it out. Cover whole feather part using more clay and give it a finished look. You can take some water to adjust that gaps or making a even surface. I have covered all feather part. Now I am giving it a design according to my choice. You can give it according to your choice as well. Now I am covering that neck part using clay. Make sure you have covered all the edges so that that cardboard part should not be visible. So I have covered full neck part. Now I am using some more clay for defining the neck part and designed it accordingly. I am using a refill. You can use pen or pencil, anything. Here I am using a thin wire to give a support to its beak. The beak has been placed. Here I am covering the upper part of the cup, giving it a design. I'm using some more clay to giving it a defined feather look. Here I am designing it. You can design it according to your choice, whatever you want, you like. I have made the crown part with thin wires and clay off camera. After covering it with clay, it will look like this. Now I am going to apply some black color, black acrylic color all over the peacock. So it will look like this. Now I am coloring its neck part using a mixture of pearl green and pearl blue color. Here I am using copper color for coloring its crown, neck and beak part. I have colored whole peacock according to my choice. You can use your colors according to your choice as well. So enjoy that coloring part and prepare your own peacock or pen stand and decor your home.